down. Keep going. It's a good eater. We gotta find her boyfriend now. All right, guys, I got the vertical jig going down now. See if there's anything bigger down there. Good morning. We are leaving Key West this morning, and it's a little early. It's 4:40 right now. We are heading to go fishing in Islamorada with one of my clients on his 34-foot boat. Hopefully we're gonna head out to the east humps today, maybe the west humps too. Should be pretty calm out. Got about an hour, 20-minute drive, so we're going to get driving that way. We'll just see you guys right at sunrise to head out. All right, we made it to Islamorada. Sun is coming up. We have direct access right there.
Let me get the gaff.
Now he's not around. Tuna on already, vertical jigging. You got me in the camera?
Yep. What? You said you were in the military, right?
Already this morning.
It is definitely definitely tough. I don't even know if you have one on anymore. I'm talking about him.
This guy was down there too.
Nice. Let's go.
Not a small one. No, he came off.
No, he didn't.
Yep.
Stop.
Lost him.
No.
Got it. The pink jig, guys. Here you go. And he's got the leverage. He's got the leverage.
Here, I thought it was me.
Trent thought it was him, but it's the pink jig.
He's up.
Here he comes. Nice one too. Fucking amberjack. Big almaco.
God damn it. Ow.
This.
Well, he's gonna be bait too. No, I don't know. I don't even think we keep it.
All right, I'm gonna guess you got any pink jigs? Yeah, it only takes two drops, 2 bites. I'm switching to pink. That's what I hooked that one on this morning too. Remember?
Yep.
Close up shot. There you go, Trent. First drop. You forward this way a little bit. It's kind of close to the boat right now, the line. Trent, we're making fresh sushi thanks to you, buddy.
If I could get this bitch in.
Reverse. Yep. Just keep that rod, keep that line off the boat or it'll break us off. There you go, right there, it's perfect. Here he comes. Blackfin, bonita. We got a couple bonita. We got 2 tuna, 2 blackfin tuna, and we're trying to get one more before we go look for mahi, or maybe we might go to a title fish spot. We might go try deep drop a little bit, which I don't get to do a lot, so that'll be kind of cool and fun. And I don't think I've ever done a deep drop video, so I don't know what I'm doing. So you're probably not gonna learn much, but you never know. There's a lot of tile fish down there. They're pretty much like, you know, catfish. You got tangled on your rod too? Playing?
Yep.
Cody's home. Hopefully it's a tuna, not a bonita. He's just running down that.
You're not fighting too hard.
Yeah, little blackfin. Oh, no bonita. Son of a gun.
Just toss them down head first in the bucket. Well, no, you can pull them off, obviously. All right, we still got good drift. I just keep dropping.
A good one right there.
Yes,
This ain't coming up quick.
Drop mine back down. Decent one here. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Good blackfin. Here we go.
You put that thing in there, in the hook on the eyelet, it won't go through the eyelet.
That's another little football. we go.
Hey, we'll take it.
All right, we just pulled up. We're back here by the east hump, and we are on some birds. We did catch a couple mahi, but they were schoolie size, so we moved on. Now we got the outriggers out. If you don't know what outriggers are, they have a clip that takes your line and puts it way out far past the boat. That way you can run multiple lines and hopefully catch multiple fish at the same time. So these flying fish over here are getting beat up by the birds and by fish. So we're gonna troll around them. And hopefully get bit. We got some bigger baits out, small baits out. Hopefully we got something these fish want to eat. All right, just pulled up to some type of floating buoy or something. We don't know what it is. I never seen it out here, and I've been out here before. But we're gonna troll by it. I know you can see it in the GoPro, but big old floating thingamajigger. All right, Cody, getting one or what? Put your clicker on, you won't hear the bite. All right, here we go, guys. It's on. Cody's on. Almaco, calling it. Or it came off. Nope, Almaco. Uh-oh, this one got hit too. This one got hit. Turn this clicker off so I don't look like an idiot. That's an Almaco hit that.
You got a mahi.
Oh, double mahi.
Big one, big mahi on yours.
Will you film for us? No. Renee, come reel this in. This is a good one. Decent one. Thanks for getting that. There you go. Reel. Gotta get Renee on her first mahi sandwich. Oh, it's a good one. Gaffer. It's not a gaffer quite.
You don't have a fish on here anymore?
You stopped reeling.
I did not stop reeling.
I heard you. I heard it. Go. You're doing so good. There you go, that's a good one. Take us of the day. Got the gap on.
Let's get him in here.
Here we go.
Oh, we almost lost him. Nice fish. There we go. Hell yeah. I'd say that spot's worth us going back to and throwing some baits at.
I think troll another one of these again, see if we can get another big one.
Yeah.
But we're about to troll through this one more time and see if we can't get a couple more keepers trolling by this buoy, whatever it is. Never seen it out here. Not sure what it is. Me a little ballyhoo with a little bucktail jig. Saw a mahi up on this thing. We got one more keeper on here. It looks like at least. Hold on, let's get right up on it. Yeah, those are the Almaco jacks. Almaco jack. There's a big mahi on it right now, it looks like though. There's something really colorful right on it.
Right over top.
Oh. God, I hate Almaco jacks. Right up all the way in the water.
Where's that mahi at?
I don't see it. Here, hold on, stop, everybody stop. Stop, Renee. Yeah, you have me.
Mahi?
I don't see it. There's something colorful. I can't tell if it's a floating rope or what. That one's giant. Giant mahi. Yeah, he's eating the shit. He's right here. This chunk might be a little too big. He's eating those smaller chunks. Yeah, give me a smaller chunk. Oh, right. He's behind the boat now. I'm on. I got him. Reel yourself, Trent. Reel yourself, Trent. Oh, you're good. Yeah, I got him. I got the big one on. Camera's up there. The big one on the light tackle. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Nope, he's on. Look at that line tight, bro. This one's a gaffer, all right? This one's a gaffer.
All right. Hey guys, in a minute, I'm going to need you to clearly try the boat so we can get this land fish right now.
Nice mahi-mahi on right now. Pretty decent one. Haven't been on one of this big. Oh, since last year. On the light tackle, that's what makes it the best. No problem. Port side, left side. There we go. Ooh. Gotta love it. Nice mahi. I knew I saw some more when we passed by the first time. How would you gap him? He's big enough to gap. You're a horrible gaffer? You can't be worse than Cody. Yeah.
Alright, walk back here.
Yeah. If you want to take it, I can gap him. If you want to take her off. I can take responsibility for my fish. Just walk him, keep walking, reel, just walk him. Actually, why don't you try to get him back this way? Yeah. Try to walk back the other way. There you go. That's now come back around.
Yep.
Come back around this way.
Hold on, I'm trying to turn him.
The drama. The drama. All right, he's coming down. Reel down one more time for me. Right there. All right, we made it back to shore. Big thanks to Sam for inviting us out. He didn't have to do that, so thank you, Sam. We were gonna drive the boat up here on the trailer, so we didn't have to do that. Instead, we got to go on a big 34-foot Jupiter, and we got Trent on his first blackfin tuna. Right, Trent?
Yep.
Not the last though, right? And now we're going to get to filleting these, and we're gonna cook them up for dinner like always. Not the craziest day any of us have had offshore fishing, but you know what? It's full moon. It's always a little bit slower bite on these full moons, especially if you're going early morning, midday. I always like to fish afternoon into the nighttime on full moons, and well, we didn't do that, but it was the only day we all had to go, so we went, we caught some fish, and we got some good dinner. So we're gonna get them filleted up right now, and then we'll see you guys in the kitchen.